Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Google Meet in your PC. Okay, so how you can or how you bring your Google Meet app in your PC home screen. So I'm opening Google Chrome, so you have to go Google Chrome. Then you can see some dots, simply click on that, and you can see the option Meet. Okay, so simply click on Meet. Once you click on Meet, then this is the home page. But how you will get this app in your home screen or in your on your PC? So here you can see there are three dots. Simply click on that and save and share. And you can install Google Meet in your PC, or you can just create shortcut and okay, create. And after that, minimize your browser. Then you can see easily you create it your Google Meet. So if you click, and then you'll get the Google Meet in your PC. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's normal, and thank you for watching the video.